Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this set of chewy swivel, kind of like as you can see over here, swivel bar stools that this brand sent to me for this video. These are going to be two 26 bar stools that they have a really easy assemble. I think I did both in about 20 or 25 minutes, no more than that. And also this one will support each one 350 pounds. So that's actually quite a lot. Don't judge the height of these ones with my kitchen countertop because this is a very tall one. This is a 40 inches one. So for this one, you will need something a little bit taller, but these ones are more than regular a height. The more regular are like about 24 23 inches. These are going to be 26, and then you have the super tall about like 28 29 or 30 inches. Let's take a closer look. So check it out. You have this comb section over here for the back support, which is also really well padded. So you will have this one for sitting every day and having breakfast or watching TV or something like that. You have this really nice wooden accents all across the bar stool. So that's going to be kind of like the modern style or modern accent. And this is going to be more firm than anything. So this is going to be kind of like firm, but not super, super firm. You know, you have some cushion over there. And of course, you also have a footrest down here. So with the footrest, you can rest assured that you can have a place to put your both feet. And then you can lay down and kind of like lay back a little bit with the comb support on the back. So I think that these ones are really comfy for what they are. So I gotta say, if you're looking for a pair of bar stools that supports 350 pounds, 26 inches tall, super easy assemble, and that they look modern but also stylish and some kind of a vintage look as well, maybe these ones could be a really nice option. Check them out. I like them, and for sure you're gonna like them as well.